Welcome again everybody to Jamaica's Last Beach, and in today's video, I should say tonight's video, we are going to be learning how to make the Jamaican specialty drink at Christmas time, which is the sorrel drink. Now, just in case you did not know, the sorrel drink is a specialty in Jamaica and also in other Caribbean islands around Christmas time. It's one of those things where it's so synonymous with Christmas that it's almost as if you're not having sorrel. It's almost like Christmas didn't happen. So if you are interested in learning how to make this drink, it's really easy, and stick with me and I'll have you making it just as easily as you can count 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in order to make a sorrel drink, you'll need of course a sorrel. This is 3 pounds of sorrel. You also need some pimento, allspice, some cinnamon leaves, some dried orange peels, and also some ginger. So we have all the ingredients here washed and ready to go into the pot. So we have the pimento seeds cracked here, we have the ginger crushed, we have the cinnamon leaves that we're going to crack. So just give them a little crack like that to help release the flavor. And we also have the orange peels, the dried orange peels, and all this is now ready to go inside the pot, and that's what we're about to do. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and add all the ingredients in. So we're adding the ginger, cinnamon leaves, orange peels, and the pimento. Okay, now I'm going to give you a look at what it looks like now that all the ingredients are in the pot. So there you go, we have pimento leaves, cinnamon leaves, dried orange peels, and also the ginger. Alright, so we're just going to cover this up and let it boil, and the boil is just going to release all the flavor from the ingredients. Okay, so this is what the sorrel looks like. This is where the farmers remove the seed from, so they always have seeds to replant for next year's crop. So this is how you normally get them, already picked and stripped of the seeds and the leaves and all that. When you buy them, it's always best if you wash them, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Just like anything else, once you buy it, you wash it properly before you use it. Once you wash it properly, you can go ahead and drain off all the water. Okay, so now we have the sorrel all washed, and this is the pot that I'm going to be drying it in. So when the water goes in here, it's going to sit overnight and draw all the flavor from the sorrel properly. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how the water is going on after 10 minutes, and this is what we have. I think we can go ahead and throw the water and the sorrel. Okay, so once you go ahead and pour the water in there, you're going to close the pot cover and let it sit there and just draw. You don't need to do nothing else for several hours For me, I'm going to leave it overnight, so I'm going to check on this in the morning. Once it's cool, it's ready to be sweetened and ready to enjoy. Okay, so to finish up making a sorrel drink, after brewing it overnight for at least 12 hours, you need some brown sugar, Jamaican cane sugar. Of course, you need a sorrel. Look at that color, so rich. You can just imagine how it tastes. You need a strainer. And to finish up, you're going to add some red label wine or some Jamaica white overproof rum. Either and you don't need a whole lot of either of these. Alright? That is just to put a little twist in your sorrel. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start sweetening. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and start straining. Okay, so this is what is left in the strainer after we strain it. This is what we're going to sweeten. See that deep rich red color? That is what you're looking for. Okay, so now we're going to move ahead to the sweetening process. Okay, and of course we're going to use the natural brown cane sugar. And when sweetening the sorrel drink, what you have to remember is this. The sorrel drink is quite sour. The only thing that I can think about that's kind of similar to the sorrel is cranberries. And just like cranberries, it is full of antioxidants and also a lot of vitamins. So it is good for you. And it is also quite sour. So that's why you might need to use quite a bit of sugar. For persons that are diabetic or who do not like to use sugar, you can go ahead and use some honey, or you could also use another sweetener like Splenda or something like that. So diabetics can enjoy sorrel as well, or you can just do without sweetening and have it as is. So we're going to pour some sugar. And when sweetening, my advice is add some sugar at first, sweeten it a bit, and make sure that it's not too sweet. You don't want it to be too sweet. You don't want it to just taste like sugar. And the ginger, if you feel a little burn in the back of your throat, that's good. That means you did a good job. So you mix out the sugar thoroughly, then you can go ahead and give it a taste. If it needs to be a bit sweeter, add some more sugar. In this case, it needs to be a bit sweeter, so I'm going to add some more sugar. Okay, so you go ahead and mix thoroughly. Make sure all the sugar grains are completely dissolved. Give it a taste. Okay, that seems just about right. Guys, so this is where we have the sorrel already bottled, and now we're going to add some white rum to one bottle and some red label to one bottle as well. As you can see, I left some space in each bottle, so I can add a bit of the white rum and a bit of the red label. Now you don't need as much as the white rum as you would need the red label in there. The red label is lower in the percentage of alcohol that it has, as opposed to the white overproof that has 63%. The red label only has 13.7. Alright. So the white rum first. Give it a quick shake. And the red label next. I'll give that a quick turn. Alright, now your drink is ready to be enjoyed, and you can serve it with ice or serve it chilled. Yes people, and that is how you would go ahead and make your traditional Jamaican sorrel drink. I'm going to go ahead and give my drink a taste right now and let you guys know just how well it tastes. Yeah man, all the different flavors are coming through. From pimento to your orange peel to your cinnamon leaf. I hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I also hope that you give the recipe a try. And you know, let me know how it turns out. Let me know if you enjoyed it or not. Okay, so I hope that you guys give this video a like, a comment, and also share the video. And if you enjoy the channel and the content that we are making, please subscribe. And until next time, take care.